Gone Forever, Tyrannosaurus Rex by Rupert Matthews. This is the title page. These are the contents, the areas that we will be focusing on as we read the book. Gone forever. Sometimes all the animals of one kind die. This means they become extinct. Scientists study extinct animals by digging for fossils. Fossils are found in rocks. About 68 to 65 million years ago, animals were very different from those living today. Most of the animals that lived then have become extinct. One of these animals was a dinosaur called Tyrannosaurus rex. Tyrannosaurus rex's home. Some scientists study rocks. They have studied rocks in which Tyrannosaurus rex fossils were found. They have used the rocks to find out about the area where this dinosaur lived. Tyrannosaurus rex lived in areas that were usually warm and wet. There were lots of hills and valleys. There were also volcanoes which sprayed smoke and ash. A land of trees. Fossil of a leaf. Plant fossils tell us which plants grew in the places where Tyrannosaurus rex lived. Scientists can also learn what the weather was like long ago by studying the plant fossils. Some plants only grew where it was warm. Tyrannosaurus rex lived in woods and forests with many open spaces. There were pine trees and ferns like those that grow today. Other plants were very different from today's plants. There were no grasses. Living with Tyrannosaurus rex. The fossils of other animals tell us what they were like. Some of these animals lived at the same time as Tyrannosaurus rex. Fossil of a snake. Some mammals lived among the plants. The mammals ate bugs. Birds flew through the sky. Flying reptiles called pterosaurs looked for food as they flew. Snakes slid along the ground. Lizards ate plants or small animals. What was Tyrannosaurus rex? Fossil bones of Tyrannosaurus rex show what kind of animal it was. It walked on its strong hind legs. Its tail was heavy enough to balance its body. It was about half as long as a basketball court. Tyrannosaurus rex was a very powerful animal. It was one of the largest meat eaters that ever lived. It was so heavy that the ground probably shook when it walked. It weighed as much as 6 elephants. Baby Tyrannosaurus rex. Scientists have not found any Tyrannosaurus rex eggs. They have found fossils from babies of other big meat-eating dinosaurs. These show us what Tyrannosaurus rex babies might have looked like. Their babies probably looked the same as adults, but were much smaller. They probably stayed near the nest and their mother fed them. Later, they learned how to hunt for their own food. Growing up. The fossils of some young dinosaurs that were like Tyrannosaurus rex have been found. They show that young animals were more agile and could run faster than adults. Some scientists think that young Tyrannosaurus rex may have hunted together. They probably hunted small animals such as lizards. By the time they were full grown, they were strong enough to hunt alone. On the move. Tyrannosaurus rex had strong and heavy legs and hips. It had powerful muscles for walking. Swishing its tail helped Tyrannosaurus rex change direction quickly. Tyrannosaurus rex walked slowly most of the time. It could run fast when it wanted to, but it would have become tired quickly. It could not run fast for long distances. Designed to bite. Scientists have found many Tyrannosaurus rex teeth. The teeth were different sizes. Some were as long as a pencil and were very sharp. The edges of the teeth were jagged like steak knives. Tyrannosaurus rex had about 60 teeth in its jaws. These teeth were able to tear through meat easily. Tyrannosaurus rex ate other dinosaurs. It used its teeth to bite off chunks of meat and crush bone. Hunting. Some scientists believe Tyrannosaurus rex hunted for food. It could open its mouth very wide, then snap it shut with strong muscles. This could have killed its prey with one bite. Tyrannosaurus rex may have hid in trees or bushes and waited for another dinosaur to come close. Then, Tyrannosaurus rex would attack its prey. What Tyrannosaurus rex ate? Tyrannosaurus rex ate other dinosaurs, such as hadrosaurs. Hadrosaurs were large plant-eating dinosaurs. Some hadrosaur bones have been found with marks on them made by Tyrannosaurus rex's teeth. Hadrosaurs were not as large or as strong as Tyrannosaurus rex. They were easy prey for Tyrannosaurus rex. Dozens of hadrosaur fossils have been found with Tyrannosaurus rex fossils. This shows that they lived at the same time and in the same places. Finding dead animals. Some scientists believe Tyrannosaurus rex did not hunt other dinosaurs. Most hunting dinosaurs used their front legs to grab hold of prey, but Tyrannosaurus rex had tiny front legs. It might not have been a good hunter. These scientists think Tyrannosaurus rex fed on large dinosaurs that died of old age or disease. Tyrannosaurus rex could probably smell a dead dinosaur from a long way away. It would follow the smell and come to feast on the body. Where Tyrannosaurus rex lived. Tyrannosaurus rex lived in the western part of North America. At that time, the center of North America was covered by a large, shallow sea. Other dinosaurs, like Tyrannosaurus rex, lived millions of years earlier in North America and Asia. When Tyrannosaurus rex lived. Tyrannosaurus lived for only a few million years. It lived at the very end of the age of dinosaurs, about 65 million years ago. Dinosaurs called Albertosaurus, Tarbosaurus, and Daspletosaurus were very similar to Tyrannosaurus rex. They lived earlier. Here is some information in the fact file about the length, height, width, time, and place where Tyrannosaurus rex lived. Pronunciation, how to say it, and also a glossary for words that you might not know. So if you'd like to pause the video, please pause it. Here are some more books you can look into, and also the index for finding the pages where you might have read about certain words. The end.